How would you like me to lucky you all the time? Huh?
Doggo is dropping hints as blatantly as possible that he wants to go for a walk. This is absolutely me every time I see a random dog. The result of giving somebody an order without clear instructions. This devoted builder is a bit furry, isn't it? Doesn't matter, because he only receives treats in return. Who needs a dance partner when you have a dog? How to torture your introverted buddy. Throw them a birthday party.
I just saw a dog. Oh my god. I just saw a dog. Wait. Did you see? Did you see?
To have a dog is to have a built-in bodyguard and babysitter. Cannot have a sweet dream without a little smooch. That moment when you want somebody to stop, but you're shy. Me trying to get somebody to guide me through life. We hope this video brought a smile to your face. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us about your favorite moments in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and see you next time!
Yeah. We know it's a quality hammock when it can hold that much weight of love.
Well, I've been at work.
Imagine a tournament where the dogs are the real MVPs, not for scoring, but for fun. The only right way to check a mattress's bounciness. When Doggo's trying to help, but uses the wrong approach. The easiest way to get your nap disrupted is forgetting to walk your dog. Ever wondered what a dog in size XL looks like? The only legit way to flex on your schoolmates is having a dog greet you after getting off the bus. Is there any better way to keep your nose from freezing? That baby is no doubt a dog person to be.
Seguimos consolando a Gaucho. Mira cómo lo abraza. La patita le dice. ¿Ves la pata? Se abraza con Gaucho.
I wish my relationship could last as long as theirs.
This channel does not promote or promotion any illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant only for educational purpose only.